How's it going everyone? Seb here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn long videos into shorts quickly and easily. This is useful if you want to convert existing YouTube videos into shorts or TikToks. In fact, you can convert them to any platform. So let's get straight into it. We're going to be using a software called Kapwing.com. So head over to the website. Then click on Get Started. I'm going to be using the free version of Kapwing, which comes with a watermark, but you can sign up for any of the pro versions, which will remove them, plus have additional features. Once logged in, you'll see your workspace. Just click on Create New Project. Now, I'm going to show you how to convert a 16:9 YouTube video to a portrait video, which can be used for shorts or TikTok. If you have the video file, you can just upload it here or click and drag it. Otherwise, you can grab the YouTube link and stick in the URL here. This is good if you make podcasts. So I'll just use a link from a podcast that I watch regularly, Ali Abdaal. So I'll just copy the URL here, Control C, and then paste that into Kapwing. So I'm going to paste that, and now that's just going to upload the video here and add the video to the timeline. As you can see, the video is in landscape. If the video is selected, you need to deselect it by clicking outside of the video. So I'm going to click here. As you saw, the menu changes. Now make sure it's on canvas and then click Resize Canvas. Here you can select a new size. I'm going to click the YouTube Shorts option, which is 720 by 1280, and that's the same as a TikTok one. So either one of these is fine. Now, as you can see, the video has been placed within that canvas. You can fit to center or fill and crop. This is the one we want, especially if you're doing vertical videos. You want the main subject of the video in a more prominent position. So I'm going to choose fill and crop and then click apply. Now the canvas size has been adjusted. You can adjust the positioning by double click the video and then dragging left or right. Luckily, he's perfectly in the center of the video, so you can see him clearly. You can change the size of the video by selecting it and then using these handles in each corner. As you can see, you can shrink it or resize it. I'm just going to keep it the normal size. However, you can make it bigger, double click it and then move it around if you need to. If you need to change a different part of the video, move this playhead to where you want it changed. So here, this person is out of frame. So what I'm going to do is split the clip. So I'm going to move the playhead here, right click, and then press split. Otherwise, you can use the keyboard shortcut S. So I'm going to split that there, then grab the playhead to here, and then click S, keyboard shortcut. Now I've split that little clip, I'll select it and make sure the playhead is over it so I can see the frame. Then I'll just double click it and reposition the shot. Then click away to save that. If I play that back, you'll see this frame is now in the correct position. You can go through the whole video and make adjustments like this where needed. Now, to make the video even better, you can add subtitles. So click on the subtitles button at the top here, and then you can add them manually and adjust the times, or you can just click auto generate and it will do it manually. Now, because I'm on the free version of Kapwing, it will say this video will cost 2 free transcription minutes. You'll have 6 transcription minutes left. So that's fine. I'll click auto generate and it should take a couple minutes to add subtitles to the video. Once done, you'll see this screen where all the subtitles added with their relevant timings. So you can go through this and double check, make sure the subtitles are correct and make any adjustments where needed. What I'll do is click done. And as you can see, the subtitles are now added on the timeline. So if I scroll along the timeline, you'll be able to see the subtitles are added. If you don't like the look of the subtitles, just select it here and then you'll get this menu appear. At the top half, you'll see the global subtitle options. And then if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll have individual subtitle options. So I want to change the global settings. So I'm going to change the font to Comic Sans. You can make it bigger or smaller. That's perhaps too small, but you get the idea. And you can also move it up and also change the outline. At the bottom, you can change the individual subtitles if you want one to stand out more than another. So go through there, make adjustments where needed, and there you go. You have a YouTube Shorts video. Feel free to explore Kapwing's other options here in the left-hand side. I'll do a more in-depth Kapwing tutorial soon. Once finished with the video and once you're happy with it, just click Export Project, select the format and the resolution. I'll keep it on MP4 and auto, and then I'll just export as an MP4. That should be good. You can then upload them to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe, and let me know if you use Kapwing in the comments. I might make more tutorials on it soon because I like the software. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.